So are you ready to go out and start shooting in 4K while overcranking at 36 frames on a 85mm at a T4? Camera jargon can sound a little confusing and almost like a foreign language when you're just starting out. Fortunately, it's really not that complicated. Anyone can learn it. And in this video, I'll be covering the first 3 of what I consider to be the 6 essential terms that you need to know. The aperture is the hole or the opening in the lens that controls how much light ends up on your camera sensor. It's the ratio of the focal length of the lens over the size of the aperture. You control the aperture either by physically moving the lens or by dialing it in with a wheel on your camera body. As you change the aperture, you're changing its size, which is why the numbers change too. It's expressed in either f-stops or t-stops. When it's expressed as an f-stop, it's telling you what the mathematical equation is at that point. T-stops, on the other hand, are a physical measurement of the transmittance of the lens, so how much light is actually getting through to your camera sensor. Because f-stops are a ratio and not a measurement, there can be slight variations in exposure levels when you're using an f-stop. If you want everything to match perfectly in exposure levels, then you'll want to use lenses that have been calibrated in t-stops, since that's an exact measurement of how much light is getting through that lens.